How to make Keto Denver Omelette. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper to taste, 1 ounce cheddar cheese, shredded, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/4 medium yellow onion, finely chopped, 1/4 medium green bell pepper, finely chopped, 2 ounce deli-sliced black forest ham, diced. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs and heavy whipping cream until fluffy. 2. Season with salt and pepper and add half of the shredded cheddar cheese. 3. In a frying pan over medium heat, melt the butter. Add the diced ham, onion, and pepper. Let cook for 1 to 2 minutes. 4. Add the cheesy egg mixture to the frying pan. Let cook until it is almost firm. 5. Lower the heat to low and add the rest of the cheese. 6. Fold the omelette in half. 7. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Denver Omelette. Each serving comes out to be 503 calories, 39 grams fat, 6.1 grams net carbs, and 31.9 grams protein. If you would like to get a free keto cookbook for healthy weight loss, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.